In this lesson, we'll go over how to connect an Ample Cloud template. Ample Cloud templates are designed to work with specific Ample Cloud applications and are meant to give you a fully functioning solution right out of the box. There are 5 steps required to connect your template. Step 1, create a stack. Step 2, install your application. Step 3, complete template quick setup. Step 4, activate your application. Step 5, publish your application. Let's get started. To create a stack, log into your Ample Cloud console and click the red plus button. Give your stack a name and an optional stack image. Press Create Stack to finish. You can think of stacks like folders inside of your Ample Cloud console. They're used to separate your applications and keep things nice and organized. Click on your new stack to enter the Stack Marketplace. Select the application you want to install to navigate to the application's home screen. In this case, we're installing an Eventbrite to Webflow Professional Tier template. Click the Install button, select Professional, Use Template, and click Install to get started. To complete quick setup, follow the prompts on the screen to complete the installation. Start by authorizing your source, in this case Eventbrite, by hitting the Connect button. Once you've connected, select the organization and organizer profiles that you'd like your application to sync. Next, authorize your destination, in this case Webflow, by hitting the Connect with Webflow button. Select the site that you want to connect and click Authorize. Once you're authorized, select your website from the dropdown and select your events collection that's already been set up inside of the template. Enter the template ID that you received when you purchased your template. In this case, since we're installing the Eventbrite to Webflow Professional template, our template ID is ample_pro. And that's it. Your application is now fully configured and ready for publishing. But first, you need to navigate to the Billing tab on your application and click Purchase Plan to activate your application and make it available for publishing. Remember to publish your site inside of the Webflow Designer before you publish your Ample Cloud application. Once you've published your site, you can go ahead and publish your Ample Cloud application. This will initiate the import process and start syncing your events over to your template. Keep in mind that events import at about 1 per second, so if you have a large amount of events, it can take several minutes to complete the importation process. And that's it. That's connecting a template with Ample Cloud.